get any new friends? Okay. Will I get a new pet? How about, will I get new clothes? Will I get new things? Am I gonna do a new hairstyle? Am I going to Dunkin' Donut? Do you think I'm 8? How about 9? Am I really 8 or 9? 8? 9? 10? 11? I'm 8. And why did you say I'm 11? God damn. Like, will I get a Pokemon from Jollibee in Philippines? Am I lucky? Am I unlucky? Does my cat love me? Does my dog love me? Does my mom love me? No. How about my dad love me? No. Does my cousin love me? No. Will I get new toys? No. Stop! My mom keep doing that. She's saying no every single time. Yeah. Okay. Shut. Okay. Am I cringe? Am I giga chat? Am I Skibidi? Am I Skibidi, Ohio? Skibidi, Ohio. Oh my god, damn. Bye guys.